Mary, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to input a Google map into your website in Builderall. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, right here there must be a little red bull, so that's the bull of the online building success. So if you want to follow us, I'm going to put a lot of video on Builderall and a lot of tricks for you, for your business, and to help with your workflow. So let's go to the video. Okay, so in this video we're talking about embedding a Google map into your website. So first of all, we have to go and get a HTML box that we go in apps. Get the HTML box. Once you have this, you go on the Google map. You're going to put your address that you want, or the city that you want to be localized in. We do share. We go to embed map, we copy the HTML code, go back to our website. In the HTML box, we right click, do edit. Here we gonna erase everything that is here, and we CTRL-V to copy the code that we just got on the Google map. Now, to be able to put your map bigger or smaller, we go here, you can see the width and height. We are going to put 100%, so this way we'll be able to work with our frame. Confirm. And here you have your Google map inside. Now, see, there's an error right here, and I'm not going to stop my recording. I want to show you because it's very important. Sometimes you don't see it, but remember when I went to this address, I made share. What do they give me? They give me the whole site, the whole map of the world. That's not what I want. I want just the road or the city I'm in. So just make sure that when you're doing this, you have the right address, okay? Okay, I changed the address, so we're gonna try it again. I have to do share, embed, and now I can see where my little point is. That is the address I want. Now I can embed the code. Copy the code, go to the website, and the HTML box. We're going to edit and change that code that wasn't right. Okay. Copy. We remember to put the 100% so we can put it like we want. There we go. Confirm. There we go. Now we can see the address. So you want to put your box a little bit bigger as you wish. You have the possibility because we have 100% control on it. Okay? So that's how we put a map into our website. So if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so you know I put a new video on. If ever you want to build your website with me, just and you want to try it for 7 days, just go on the link below in the description. Everything is there, and we'll see you in the next video.